Hi friends, my name is Jordan, and I'm in a thousand books before kindergarten graduate. When I was your age, I loved reading books just like you. And guess what? Listening to this book today counts towards your 1,000 books before kindergarten challenge. Today we're going to be reading The Carrot Seed, story by Ruth Krauss, pictures by Crockett Johnson, and creator of Harold and the Purple Crayon. If you have a copy of the book, make sure to follow along. Let's get started. The Carrot Seed. A little boy planted a carrot seed. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." His father said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." And his big brother said, "It won't come up." Every day, the little boy pulled up the weeds around the seed and sprinkled the ground with water. But nothing came up. And nothing came up. Everyone kept saying it wouldn't come up. But he still pulled up the weeds around it every day and sprinkled the ground with water. And then one day, a carrot came up. Just as the little boy had known it would. Thank you guys so much for listening to The Carrot Seed. I hope you had a nice time listening in. And remember, this counts towards your 1,000 books before kindergarten challenge. So keep trying your best to complete that challenge as soon as possible. Thank you guys for listening. Bye.